System also, system.
What else?
Maybe system, sir. System. System.
Meaning, daan, ang infrastructure na problema.
May ana.
Parang wala silang plan for, yung plan for 5 years, for 10 years.
Tama. Hindi mo sila.
Hindi nila na-execute yung long plan nila so that the services of the water are stable.
Okay. Everything you said can actually be part of this big story. Someone said about the old pipes, but I would go with him. Maganda yung sa kanya. Dilapidated. Kasama na yun sa story. Pero ang problem kasi na atong i-identify is years of mismanagement. Ang sabi niya, ang Hans na, this is happening kasi yung mga na-appoint ng mga officers ng
Self-interest.
CWD. Puro self-interest.
Business interest yun.
Business interest, whatever. Ano lang to we're just brainstorming. Baka bukas nasa lalabas na let me be clear. I cannot be a source on the COW because I don't know.
Ako, sir, mas perfect ang business interest.
Sabi na yun. Vested interests.
No.
Okay? So yun ang hunch natin. We could be right or we could be wrong. Kasi hypothesis nga lang eh. Parang science ba? Bakit may gravity? Based on what I'm seeing, what I have observed, ganito ang explanation bakit may gravity. So meron kang hunch, meron din tayo. Ang problem is a fact. The reason for the problem, nandito pa lang tayo sa speculation, speculative stage, but educated guess, out of nowhere. So ang hunch natin is, ngayon, vested interests. The officers are not really there to, iyan, bulsa.
No dedication.
Okay? Now, we will try to prove this with paper trail, with the people trail, and digital trail. How do we do this? Anong documents na makukuha natin?
Contract.
Contract.
Kobe contract.
Yung
Kobe.
Ano
contract.
pa?
Plus the board, the names of the board of directors, the background check.
Dito yan sa people trail. Di ba? Pero paper trail.
Legal opinion. Legal opinion from OGCC.
Okay. All the documents about the COW, including the COA reports.
Yeah.
I did a report, by the way, about the COA reports. Grabe ang losses. So the COA report itself is a mining site, a minefield. Ang daming mamimina ng mga data sa COA report alone. The questions that COA will raise, the inefficiencies pointed out in the COA report, ang daming story that can be done. So paper trail, which could also be digital trail. Minsan yung COA report na COA.gov.ph
website.
Hanapin mo lang yan. Masipag ka. But before that, people trail. Nancy was saying, ano sabi ko sa people trail?
Yung mga names ng board of directors, ito kanila iba.
Okay, identify. Sino bang mga board of directors? Puro appointees.
Purposes pa.
Appointees sa mayor. May Oka o may Clarex.
Clarex.
Okay. Sino yung mga yan? Let's identify. Diba? Hindi na lang ka mag-specific. But by identifying them, then you can do profiling. Look at the personal FB pages.
I-ship ako ba?
Hindi election, sino ba sinuportahan nito? Kanino ba asosya? Sino bang mga katsokaran, barkada nito?
Associated ba?
Mga political ka man doon.
Ano ba ang negosyo?
Ano ba yung negosyo nito?
Anong natapos?
Kasama na yun. Qualified ba? Hindi qualified. Then you will be led. And then you will, by examining them, the profiles of these people, you will be led to other people na may association sila who have something to do with the story that you're writing about. You will be led to a smaller bulk water supplier
And the contractor?
headed by someone who used to be with the COWD board. Who was among those who approve of the contract.
Signatory.
Na sinasabi niya na problematic. Di ba? So yung people mo, mga anak,
Correct.
and then somewhere along the way, you will be surprised.
But to brush ang regulation.
You will be able to connect the dots. Connecting the dots by profiling. Now, itong profiling, eavesdropping ng gini. Ano naging ka? Stalker ka na gini in a way. But yes, that's what you do. You stalk. And then, look at their friends list. Sino bang friend nito na friend ko rin? Talk to your friend. What's about si Amor? That friend will tell you things related to what you're talking about. Believe me. So, mga same way with the documents. You will have a document which will lead you to another document, and you will have usa ka pile ng folders. Puro documents na. Ganun yan. Sige lang, pangalan. Mabuang ka na. Kadagang makakain nini. That's when you organize. Digital trail. Facebook. Websites. Yeah. As I said, you stalk. Mag-stalk ka yun. Stalk yung wife, yung husband. Because you will see a connection.
Political connections.
Tapos dito yung wife pala niya. Pareho yung family name nitong nag-upload nung sa back. How are they related? Yun. Diba? Ganun talaga. You stalk. Ha? Ang problema kay inyong gagamitin sa uyab, sa mga banan ninyo. Gamita ka na para sa inyong trabaho. Kana na skills. Hindi kay kapag imong stock, kanang gasilusan mo.
Sir, we need to set our mental health.
Ha?
We need to
So it's just a matter of redirecting the skill naman na, Menzi. Skill naman na. Sige kag stock sa every page. That's a skill you acquired. So, dili na kumutudlo sa ako yung naging mo, kabalo ka na.
Stalker ka na?
Ibalin ka na sa COWD. So you can produce an IR. Diba?
Puslan ba?
Sir, sige pang-stock sa'yo, nasakitan.
Ay, hugot.
Now,
Na-discovery man.
na questions? Yes.
Sir, going back sa kung kuwan sir ba sa pag-stock sir, what if you input in your write-up sir, like let's say, nakay na-stock na kani siya is kaniyang ang iyang contractor is family member. Tapos na-mention mo siya sa mong write-up, would you be liable for sort of parang
Depende kung ano yung ano mo, no? Kung may connection talaga.
Like, will it be a data privacy sort of para problems, or for example, or na-mention ako name,
Ay,
wala siya,
huwag mo na sabihin sa Facebook ko nakuha.
I mean, yun nga, parang na-mention yung
Hindi, ganito na lang. Yung what you see on social media, you have to verify. Balik tayo sa verification. Look for other sources. You can validate
And it's
that.
okay to put them in the write-up.
Oo! Kung may connection. Yung nakita mo, was awarded a contract na anomalous.
Confirm and reconfirm.
Tapos, yung wife niya ganyan, of course, yesterday, I was editing a story about molasses PNA. Negros Occidental. The name of the sugar mill na culprit is Bisco. Tingnan namin, sino? Ang presidente si Jose Marichan.
Singer? Singer?
So we use that. So you're just stating a fact na presidente nito si Jose Marichan.
Baktol man.
The COW, ito hypothetical again. The COWD entered the contract with a bulk water supplier headed by someone who used to be the chairman of the COWD. Yeah.
Hello?
So are we clear on this? Okay. Now the next step is the timetable. Hindi naman pwedeng forever kasi sinabi ni Ernie, long and tedious. Mga 3 years na ako pa rin masabit. Ayan.
Patay ng chairman of the board
Civil
nila.
foundation ba? Basic journalism.
So you just have to set a timetable. I'll do this in 3. Ang target na to, sir.
10 lang ko kay
1, 3 months. Kaya na.
Di akong gigikan.
Tama na. You will do all this
Ngayo man.
in 3 months. Ah, 3 months. Although we did one about Kibuloy again last year. And sulti sa ramen, mauna yung pinakapaspas na investigative report. We did it in 2 days. Nagkaroon, ang key is may collaboration. I got the addresses of his mansions, okay, through the sources na nakontak ko sa Facebook na who trust by last year, who trusted me already. Kung sinabi ko kasi, I will not mention your name, not give me the information. Who gave me the exact addresses of Kibuloy sa California, sa Hawaii, sa mga mansions. We're talking about mansions here. Okay? I got the complete address, mga addresses. So anong ginawa ko? Nag-collaborate ako with the research department of research and Rappler. Binigay ko address. May research na. Fortunately, sa US, yung mga documents na sa real properties, although magbayad, pero dali na din kayo. Tanan, confirm. We came out with a story about the mansions of Kibuloy. Exact address, not with pictures of the mansion.
Sir Herb, opportunity na nino to ask question ba kay nag-mention man ka nga the shortest investigative report takes only 2 days. Now in your previous in your previous discussion, naigibutan din nga long period of research. That means thorough sourcing. Unsay strategy or technique to make it nga dili bahaw ang
Because all the information were there already. makuha na mo in a day's time.
Kaya ang long research mo good, tendency is mabahaw ang story. Naunsay strategy nga dili mabahaw.
Oo, that's why you have to set the timetable. Anong reasonable timetable for this story? Okay? There are stories like yung Arab mansions, they have done nila ito 6 months to do. But there are stories like yung mansions, nakakatanan ng information that you need, and then you have interviews na. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Sulat mo na. So you determine the reasonable timetable. Yun nga, isang factor yun. Bakit tayo mag 6 months? Next month, pagpus na ni. Yeah, you just have to work faster.
Timetable.
Di ba? Timetable. Saka yung, pag may timetable ka, may deadline ka eh. I have to finish this kasi may timetable. And the timetable, the desk should be aware, the editor should be aware. Paano yung editor mo, sinisingil ka. Kasi na, sila ka sa tingin mo. Sabi mo, Monday may sasabit na siya. And lastly, this is very important. The budget. How much will all this, including the network, fuel mo, pamasahe, interviewing people, how much will it cost? Although anong budget, it happens to bigger organizations sa provinces. Medyo. However, may mga grants which you can find online who will find stories, investigative stories. There was one, I remember, ito maliit pa to. It took only siguro mga 1 week. A stringer from Cebu of Rappler got paid, siguro last month, 10,000. Some in-depth story.
1 week lang ha?
1 week na trabaho. Because of the effort. So, importante yung budgeting. Hindi naman pwedeng mo ng budget eh. How much will it cost? And then, talk to the editor. Kaya pa namin siya. I understand in the provinces, hindi to practice. But, how much will it cost you to produce a magazine? I think that's about it, no? Factor. 250. Any questions? Yes.
Sa mag-look ako na sir ba? I don't know kung sa'yo akong paglaw na more mas dali ang investigative journalism sa radyo kaysa print o sa TV. Kaya sa radyo kami sir, katong si Kiki Fernandez nga na missing, nga alleged kidnap sa lima ka mga polis. Ako man din nakasugod at to. Kaya ito wala matawagan mo ko dahil diretso sir. Dapat inihas sa radio sir pagkainan ang investigative journalism.
Pero the Kiki Fernandez, would it really require an investigative report ng sources ng police, yung CCTV footage? I don't think that qualifies as investigative.
Walang in-depth.
Unless, did you do paper trail, people trail on this? On that so digital create siguro yung video people create ito na yung interview mo police lang naman. Now, please avoid this. Remember, avoid single sourcing.
Correct.
Hindi ro story mo, usara ka mo yung interview, press release pag yun. Press release na lang ako i-publish ba? Anong bayad mo naman? gold star ni mo nini na press release mo nini na mag-rewrite. So avoid single sourcing. Tapulan yung gaya na tao na ang iyang source ay ang balita usara. Kasi may walang effort to get other views, other opinions on the matter. Kasi isa lang eh. You just take the word of one official, hook, line, and sinker.
Hindi mo ma-compare ba sa lahat?
Walang other voices yun lang.
Kaya ang
So
kontra.
pag ganon,
Hindi ka kasiguro na.
red flag yun. Red flag of a potential PR work or tapulan na rin ang reporter. Okay? What else? Sige, tumabay.
Ako lang sunod sir kay ikaw ko lang investigative journalist pero ako kining gisgutan kanina sa Banwa. Ang rest sir. Ngayon, pila mo ko pala sa yung story.
Okay, I understand that, no? That's why we mentioned natin physical threats of Sahel. So it's really risky. Now, what can we do? What can we do? Pwede ba ato lang may i-practice, hinahinay, not really a full-blown investigative report, but put some investigative IR flavor in your stories just to improve.
Kuyawan yung
Ayaw sa full-blown na big time na, dinagko na. Hinahinay lang ta. Let's practice this in our next time na naing story na mubuto. Medyo putangan lang nato gamay na IR. Not exactly full-blown IR. Okay, lisod po na. Magkauman sa local, wala na yan eh. So how can we do an investigative report? Wala eh. So ang suggestion ko, maghinay-hinay lang sa ata, practice na practice. Atong practice eh, sa atong mga daily reports.
problema po siya kaya privacy act.
Na may there are plenty of ways to skin the cat without violating that.
Sir, ay yun ang nga medyo murag kinapula ng single sourcing. Doon na mga urban writers, ano specific sa newspaper, nga strategy kay ilang i-series mo naga single source. I-preserve nila ang other source for another story, another lead.
I don't think that's if you have, what you're doing is you're omitting, intentionally omitting something na din na.
So, biga yun mo.
It raises questions on ethics. May sagot na pala eh, bakit hindi mo nilabas? Di ba? Bakit may installment?
Naiba na.
So it raises questions on ethics. To withhold information that you have already. What else? If not, I'll turn this over to the
Mga tamang komisyon na kay Sir Edelberto Gomez Jr. ang Bureau Head sa Rappler, Mindanao.
Outsource, bitaw niya kay si alias Luis.
alias.
Alias Luis, i-outsource.
Alias or alias?
Story at police. Ang story is nag-run investigative reporting sila, sir. Sa gagawin daw ko sa rules ni para to fake news ni Parex. Muto, pangalan nila kundesa na ang tapos wawil ang church. Kaya wala ka sa church.
Hindi kayo familiar na wala ko monitor. Pero unsa man na?
Ang ako ba kung right
story ang goods, ha?
Una,
Ang story is,
ang story is, nag-mention siya ang ebidensya sa tao, i-describe niya,
Alias na.
gadala ng camera, ang apelyido is kaya ang pangalan ko is Condesa, wala yung Condesa
Si Wawel.
o si Wawel ang ana. Then ang source is si Liz.
BC, kita
Si
ni
Liz lang wala, ang na-print lang yun is LIZ.
Bakit hindi gumamit ng source na...
Oo, that's ang sponsor lang.
Sinong sinula?
Sa kung bakit kanang bakit ito kasulat si
Sino nag-edit?
Mary, si Ben.
Naman si Ben.
Wala siya.
Paano ka nasa Pilipinas? Tubuhan siya. Nag-publish ka lang.
Salamat sa sabihin.
Hindi yan. I cannot judge, pero wala ako kabalo. Wala ako makabasa sa article. Hindi ko familiar sa issue. But if what you're saying is, lumabas ang story ang may klarong sources, that's problematic.
Problematic ito, sir.
That's problematic.
Kung gani, kay Silis ang sota. Ako kabalo sa Liz.
Alias na. Si Liza.
Okay, okay.
Saya kahit kalusot sa
Atong mamunta ng si Ben Balsino. Sino ni Ben?
kalusot sa
Kanang si Mark Francisco ka na. Nag-alias na Liz.
Nagpakaso si Wawel lang to, sir.
Hindi sa kay Condesa mo na.
Permit kita na lang SLR, anak. Nakuha siya. Baan si Wawel?
Okay. Other questions? Basta mo to. Kung based sa inyong resulta, then problematic ay problema. Ano pa? Haba? Okay, if not, I'll turn this over to Lang Kitana.